to do, but bear with me then, and we'll start now. So what I need you to do first is to have a piece of A4 paper. Piece of A4 paper. It doesn't matter what color it is. I've got it so it's pink on one side, white on the other, but it can be all white or pink, your choice in color. Okay. Right?
Yep.
So the next thing you have to do is turn this into a square. So to do that, you bring one all the way down, making sure on this side you create a point. Okay, and bring this edge all the way down to the bottom edge, like so, and crease it. And then once you've creased it, fold this piece back and cut the excess off. Okay, you should have a piece like that. So if you've got any paper that's two-sided and you want it to use, like I've got the pink as the main color, you place that onto the table. And if you're using a plain piece of white or plain piece of color, it doesn't matter at all. Okay?
Okay.
Right, so first of all, I want you to fold it completely in half. Line them up and fold it in half.
Hold on, I'm still cutting.
Okay, sorry, I will slow down.
Yeah, I'm done with that one.
Okay, so got an A4 piece of paper and you just completely fold it in half. If you've got a double-sided one, you can see that I've got white on the inside, pink on the outside. Okay. Then open it back out and take this outer edge to the center. Crease that one. Okay. And you turn all the way around and repeat that process. Get as far as there first, and then I'll stop and wait for you all. Make sure you've got nice, solid creases.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Right. So what I want you to do next is open it back up, and I want you to, where you had that fold it across, fold it back in the triangle. And you can see on the one side, you've got a small little triangle.
Yeah.
Yep.
So fold it on that triangle so it creases. Okay. And then once you've creased that, open it back out fully again. Everyone okay?
I'm good.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can see you've got a little square created. Now I want you to fold this bottom edge up onto that fold, making sure that fold now comes all the way along, same width.
Sorry, can you just repeat that? I'm not sure which
Yeah.
fold it's supposed to be on.
Right, so you had that little tiny square you created.
Yeah.
I want you to fold this bottom edge paper
Yeah.
all the way up,
All right.
following that fold.
Okay.
You all okay with that?
Yep.
Not going any further.
I know I'm hang on.
No, I go back.
No, it's not that. I'm not sure which side of I mean, you got it on the white side, but I'm not sure which side I should be on because both of mine are yellow, so I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Oh, right.
Totally doesn't matter then. Right. So
Yes.
I went over like that, didn't I, for the triangle? You got as far as there.
There
And
we
I
are.
folded it here,
I got it.
right?
Yeah.
And I opened it back up, and where that little sealed line was, I carried on in a straight line to have this edge.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone?
Yep. Yep.
Right. Now, if you can turn it so it's this way now. And then take this edge in. And this edge in.
Just do that last bit again. Oh my God, I'm having a moment.
Okay, so it's like here,
Yeah.
right? So there's a concertina at the moment.
Yeah.
Take the bottom one in and the top one in.
One in.
Okay,
Yep.
Yeah.
right. I want you to turn it round now. So the sealed edge is over this side, the open edges are here.
Oh, does it matter if that's the wrong way round? Yeah.
No, but we're gonna work on this edge.
Right, okay. So it doesn't matter if my edge is opposite to yours, right? Just work on that. Okay.
Right. So you can see you've still got a triangle folded there.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're going to, on that triangle, I'm going to bring it in now. Okay. And do exactly the same on the other side. So we've got two triangles.
Ah,
Okay. All right.
no.
No? Right, go
what-
back. It looks like this. These are the open ends.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
It's hard when I can't see any of you. And you take this one in to form a triangle, and you take this one into the center.
One triangle is longer than the other. Or different size.
See if you can play around so you get them to match. So they
Yeah.
come to a point like that. See them?
There. Oops. Hold on. Nearly there.
Right?
Yep.
Everybody got to there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right. So I have the point facing towards me now, and we're going to fold it after this triangular shape. So we're going to fold it completely over at that edge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Or let me know when you've got to there.
Yep.
And that.
Right? Are you all okay?
Yep.
I want you to open it back out.
Yep.
And out flat again.
Yep.
Now this gets a bit more complicated. Okay? So you take your hand and place it inside here.
Yeah.
And push this edge so it comes up to form this shape. Do it again.
Okay. Yep.
So you're there. This
Yeah.
edge here. Push this edge here.
Okay.
Up. Okay.
Yeah.
And the same thing on this edge. This edge here. Push it. Oh, easier to come this way, I think. Push it in like that. Just like so. Okay. So we've got 3 flaps like that then.
Mhm.
Right?
No.
No?
No. Sorry, Maria.
Okay.
Could you do that again?
Right. You all right on the one?
Not quite.
Right. Right.
Hang on. I think I've got it.
So I'm pushing this edge in to form that triangular shape.
Mhm.
Turn it round and do the same thing. Push that in to form that shape. You got like a square.
Yeah, got
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, a square?
Yep.
Right. Now over here, at the bottom now, I'm trying to work out which is the easiest way to do for you all. Right, leave that over that side. At the bottom, bring this edge, that's the folded edge now, and here, out, and bring it down so to create the shape like that. Okay, take it back in, do it again. So I'm taking that edge there, yeah, put my hand in, this is the sealed edge now. So I'm bringing that in. I'm pulling this edge all the way down. So that point appears down the bottom.
Yeah.
Play around with it until you got it straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we got to do exactly the same on this side. Okay.
Yeah.
Not
At the
quite.
moment, it doesn't look anything like a rabbit.
No. Looks
Okay.
like a boat.
Mm.
Mm.
Right.
Yeah.
Done.
Somebody said
No, I said I'm done.
You're done. You're done. All right.
No, I'm not quite.
Have you all got it looking like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Pardon?
Sort of, Maria.
Sort of.
Yeah.
How far off?
I don't know if you can see that at all.
I can't see a thing.
Ah. Okay.
Really difficult.
Right.
I'm used to Teams and I can't see on here.
Mm.
The bottom one isn't too bad. The top one is terrible.
Down this end, what we just done.
The bottom one is okay, but the top one,
The square
no, the one that's
you've just done.
yeah.
So you've got to pull them. See, so if if you look back at it, you can create your little triangles. Can you see?
Yeah.
So if you create those triangles, you'll be able to get them nice and flat. Have a play around till you get them flat. I don't want to go on until you've got them flat, everybody. And then once we've made one, I think we'll make a second one and you can photograph the process then.
Yeah.
Make sure you've got it to there and nice and even.
Well. Yeah.
Play around until you've got it to there. I want to make sure everybody's at the same stage.
Can you make it out of thin card, Maria?
You can make it out of thin card, but it is a bit harder in card because you've got to make sure the creases
Are exact. Okay. Oops.
You can play around with card after, can you?
Yeah.
Could even experiment with fabric.
Yeah.
Right. So the lady who was stuck. How are we doing? Because I don't know who it was. It's hard. Alexia, you okay?
Sort of.
I'm
Yeah.
okay. I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
So is it Melanie this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, mine's done, yeah.
Yours done. Sian is stuck, is it? Sian, you winning?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine. So who was having a problem? Because I haven't got all the names up then, I think.
Right. I think I've more or less won.
Yeah?
You remember me, Maria?
I can't see any more names.
Kat Fenton. I worked with you in Merthyr.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. It's nice, isn't it? Well, I'd love to see you again.
Yeah.
Right. You've all got to there?
Yep.
Yep.
Right. So this squared piece, if we can push that first, so it's behind like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Sorry. So turn the paper over, is it?
No, don't turn it over. So we got it like there, right?
Yeah.
So this square, we just push in this square underneath.
I can't see how you push it under.
Right, put it back up. So I've got
Yeah.
this, I leave my hands there so you can see that I'm not moving up. Right, so
Yeah.
there's the square. So
Yeah.
at this point, and you can see that little line coming through the middle.
Yeah.
Just turn it, push it under like that. It looks really like a boat now.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, so now we're going to fold it slightly different. That point is up there. We're gonna bring this edge in all the way up like that, and then come all the way down flat if you can there. See? So I've taken it, this edge comes up to that middle line and it creates a nice triangle like so. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gone all the way down here.
Yeah.
And then you're going to turn it round and do exactly the same this way.
This is why I don't do origami.
Well, I chose to do this because I thought it didn't involve everybody buying different things to make it.
Yeah.
Everybody would have some photocopying paper if they didn't have coloured paper.
Yeah.
Never done this
It
before.
was open to everybody.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, now it looks a bit like a helicopter.
Okay.
Say more.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Now at this line here, where that triangle is, see it?
Yeah.
Mm.
You're going to fold that forward. So this piece comes towards you.
I haven't got a triangle bit sticking up like that.
No?
No. Oh, yes, I have. It was tucked underneath.
Yeah, tucked underneath, push it out like that. Okay.
Typing.
Right.
Can you repeat that again, Maria?
Pardon?
Can you repeat that again?
Right. So at this point here, so you've got the little triangle line across there.
Yeah.
Bring this forward, and then underneath is a piece that's going to come forward with you, a triangle. In the back.
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've
Yep.
got it,
You
Yeah.
got it?
I think. Yep.
So now I want you to just fold a little tiny little bit back like that. Tiny weeny bit.
Can you just repeat that?
You see it? So I'm there, and at that point,
Oh, that bit, right.
a little bit, just turn a little tiny bit back.
Right.
That's going to form his nose
Oh,
or
Okay.
mouth. Okay,
there you go.
Yep.
right. Now I want you to fold this completely in half this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Right. Now this triangular bit here, if you hold the two,
Oh,
get the two in your hand and bring them up so that this part is straight. See here, got a straight line appearing now.
Yeah.
Yeah, see a straight
Right.
line?
hold on. Can you go back a step?
Yeah.
I've done the nose.
Hang on, let's go back. Right, so it looks like this.
Uh,
My nose has jumped out again. Okay.
okay, I've done the nose.
Oh, you've done the nose. Sorry, you've done the nose. Okay, you've done the nose.
Yeah.
And it looks like that.
Yeah.
The nose has been pushed underneath. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
To put the nose underneath.
Yes. Okay.
Right. Hang
So
on.
at this line here, then, and all the way down here,
Yeah.
right? We just fold it completely in half to form this shape.
So the nose is on the inside.
Nose is on the inside and
Right.
shaped this way.
Mhm. Right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, everybody?
Yeah.
Yep.
I got mine done. Yeah.
Right. So you pull those now, this edge here, which is the ears, you pull it up so that you create this straight edge. So you got to get this, so it's a straight edge up here. Play around until you got it completely straight. When you got it straight, fold it. Okay.
Yeah, done. Yeah.
No?
I still can't get mine.
Okay. Which part can't you get?
Right. I'm trying to pull the ears up.
So you're there. So
Yeah.
go right at the point and pull it up until it's a straight line up here. And this will form a straight line coming down. So you can see that you've got a 90-degree angle here then near enough.
I've got too many thicknesses of paper.
Yeah, there's the 1 and 2 of the ears. You're only pulling the ears up.
Yeah. I'm trying to pull the ears up. And it's not working. As I say, I think I've got too many thicknesses of paper. I'm not sure how.
Wish I could see you all. Maybe you do.
Yeah. No,
Massive, it's not quite 90 degrees, but it's more like getting on for 100.
Yeah,
it's
you see.
not
Yeah.
working.
Don't worry. We'll
Okay.
do another one after. Maybe the second time round it'll be easier.
Yeah.
I think mine's going to end up
Hopefully we
in the
can try and get another one in. Maybe not, but we'll see. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So at the top here, you can see where there's a fold on the ear. So bring that forward first towards the point of his nose.
Right.
And do the same the other side.
Right.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And now they look like this, which they don't look very rabbity. So now you've got to put your finger in
And give up.
more of
Sorry.
the rabbit ears.
I'll just watch.
Okay.
Yep. Quite excited now to see it taken.
Right. So now I'm going to bring this edge down here. So this edge here, bring them both together,
Together.
bring them over. So I've got the triangle and a little extra, see? Width of my finger extra there.
Just hang on. What's going on here?
So there's a bit triangle sticking out.
Yeah, I think you'll have to do that whole one again because I don't.
Right. So there's the shape.
Got that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm bringing this down so that this comes completely over and there's that much of it sticking out.
Oh. No.
So it's from there.
Yeah.
Right? So at the moment I got the line there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I come in a bit, you can see that I'm going to create a fold there. So to do that,
Oh,
I'm
can I
bringing
get
this edge
Yeah.
down here
Right.
and it's coming over.
Ah, right. I got
So I
it.
got extra there.
Right.
And I
Okay.
make a nice fold here.
Okay.
Make sure it's really folded.
I see you.
As hard as you can.
I can see why you can't make this out of card now.
Yeah. Okay.
I asked like just as getting the good work out. Okay.
Right. So have you all got to there or have I got to go back a stage?
I think mine doesn't quite look like yours. But I think.
So it's not finished yet.
No.
Right?
Right. Okay.
Everybody got to here though?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So we'll open him back out now.
Okay.
And you can see inside you've got that shape you've created. Yeah.
All right.
So I want you to, first of all, push that in like that. Okay. See?
Right.
Right?
Um.
No?
I think
You've
it's,
given up, Maria. I'm sorry.
I think my creases are slightly out, but I'm just gonna wing it.
On those creases there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What am
And
I
now
doing?
followed by this outer one, take this outer one over and down and do the same thing over
Over and
and
down.
down. And there you have a rabbit. Place him on, you have a rabbit. And you can put 2 little eyes on.
I don't have a rabbit.
You don't have a rabbit.
Well, I have a rabbit, sort of, or an animal, sort of, but it seems to be standing like on its back legs. It looks nothing like.
So, does it look like that?
So
No. Wish we could see these. It's hard.
you can see it as
Right. If I go back to here, have we got it like that?
let's go back to right. That is like that. Yes. Okay.
Right. So if I open out, you've got that little shape created here.
What it is, it's that shape there. I think. Hang on. Seems
So
very.
you know when you've created this over,
Yeah.
put a nice seal in there. And if you open it back, you can see where that seal is.
Yeah, but
But push into there.
I think what it is, that little triangle shape that it's making, it's not. It's quite shallow on mine.
You got to make it deeper.
Right. I think that's not the problem. Oh, it's gone right up to
So
his
what
back.
you can do to create that, bring this forward even more. Make your triangle come forward again.
All right. I've got to
I'll emphasize this one. I'll come really forward like that then. Okay. Bring it all the way forward and put another one in. How's that? All right. Bring it quite a deep one.
Right. Okay.
Go back. Right.
Yeah.
And I'll push it on that deeper one now. There's a rabbit. And then you can put little eyes.
I've actually got a bat.
You got little eyes on him. And there he is.
Oh,
Right. I've got a bat, but I'm sticking with the bat.
yes.
How's it all done?
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I think I've abandoned mine, Maria.
You've abandoned it.
Yes.
I don't know what's supposed to.
Doesn't look anything like a rabbit. I haven't managed all the folds anyway. So don't worry. I'll just watch everyone else.
I wish I could see everybody's really.
I would.
Oh, I'd love to be able to, because what I've got, if you could imagine, either a bat, okay, and if I fold it a bit more, what I've got is a rabbit sitting on its hind legs with his, looking upwards. So
maybe you could email them to me. I can have a look at them.
yes.
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 So email Maria.
No. Oh, never got a pen really.
like to have a look what you've created.
Do your ears open?
Yes. So they're open like that.
Yeah, but at the back, are they joined?
They
No,
joined.
they're open, aren't they? Where your finger is now.
Yeah.
It's open there at the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It looks like a
My email
Scotty dog with
address.
ears.
Pardon?
Scotty dog with ears.
Ah.
Right, Maria, is that all lowercase, yeah?
It can be, but it starts off with a large M then, and then lowercase.
Okay.
Dot.
Maria dot.
Parry. P-A-R-R-Y.
Is that a capital P?
No, just ordinary. Or lower.
P-A-R-R-Y.
Y. Hyphen.
Yeah.
Little hyphen. Little
Yeah.
line.
I got
Jones.
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 Yeah.
At.
Yeah.
Adult learning. Got that?
Yeah.
Adult learning dot Wales.
Okay.
Right, so hopefully you can all send me some. So how have you all done? Alexia? Do you have a rabbit?
Yeah, and I've just sent you 2 photos of it.
Oh, brilliant. Melanie?
I got a bat.
You got a bat? Okay. I'd like to see it though.
Yeah, I
Sean?
Was doing absolutely fine until that very last bit where you pushed his bum in.
Right. You
And I
stuck from there. I'll repeat that bit now.
Yeah.
Lynn, you're all right?
I've sent you a photo.
Okay. And I can't think. Wish I could see everybody. Where's I go?
I've abandoned.
Kath.
Yes, so
How is yours looking?
I've abandoned it.
Oh,
Oh,
right. So, Sean, you were stuck on the last bit.
yes, on that very last bit.
Right. So, you got it as far as there.
Yes.
If you bring it then, and we'll emphasize you, bring it over. So you've
Yep.
got that much coming over.
Yep, I've got that.
And really push it and push it and push it. Okay. Right. And then once you've done that, we'll open it out. And you should have that shape inside.
That's where I got to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So push that shape in like that.
Yeah.
And then followed by these outer pieces. Follow those in and take that in. It looks like that.
Yep, I got that. Yeah.
And now when you push that in, they
Yes.
form the little legs.
Got you.
Yeah?
Yes, thank you.
You got it now. Good.
Yeah.